Hello everyone, welcome to my another video of English speaking practice. Today I want to talk about my biggest fear. Okay, since my childhood my biggest fear has been speaking in front of people. In my school days, in my college days too, many times I got the chance to speak on stage, but I always found an excuse that sometimes I would say I had a sore throat, sometimes I'm not ready, and when that opportunity was given to someone else, I felt happy. Oh, I'm safe now. Like this. You know what? I was not able to speak confidently even in class. Sometimes when teacher asked any question, I knew the answer, but I often stayed silent because I did not have that courage to speak, right? But now I realized that this fear is holding me back. This fear is seriously holding me back. And now I am trying to speak because I want to remove this fear of speaking, of being judged, of making mistakes. Okay, so this was my biggest fear, and that's why I have started this YouTube channel to speak. And speaking in English has been my dream since my childhood, so that's why I'm working on it. And this channel I made for improving or documenting my life or sharing with you my whole journey. So if you are new here, be a part of this journey. I'll be sharing with you everything. What am I going to do to improve my life? For speaking, I have just started this speaking. Okay. Okay, so that was my biggest fear. I always wanted to remove, because this was actually a biggest problem of mine, that I can't even speak in front of others. Like if I have 2 or 3 people in front of me who is not from my gang, like who is from another category, I would say. Not category, actually I am not able to express this, but I mean, if I had to do this in front of others, so I was not able to do, and I want to remove this fear, right? Because there is like, it doesn't matter if you have lots of knowledge, but if you can't express it in front of others, so I thought it should be removed. Okay, that's why I'm working on it. So do subscribe this channel. I will share with you that how can you do this, how did I do this, because I have just taken a small step towards my dream. Okay, so let's see how far I will go on this journey. So if you guys want to support me, then you can like the video and you can subscribe to my channel and be a part of this journey. I'll meet you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.